The statement, jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law, was given by Thomas Erskine Holland. To understand this, we must break the sentence into parts. Jurisprudence means the study or philosophy of law. Positive law means the law actually made and enforced by the state, such as statutes and legal rules. The word formal science means the study of the form, structure, and general principles of law, not its content or moral value. According to Holland, jurisprudence does not study what the law should be or whether it is good or bad. Instead, it studies the basic concepts and structure of law, such as rights, duties, ownership, liability, and legal relationships. It is called formal because it focuses on the general framework of law, which is common in all legal systems, rather than specific laws of a particular country. For example, every legal system has concepts like rights and duties, even though their details may differ. Holland believed that jurisprudence is a science because it studies law in a systematic and logical manner. It tries to organize legal ideas clearly and explain their relationships. Just like science studies facts and principles, jurisprudence studies legal concepts in an orderly way. However, it is formal because it avoids discussing whether a law is fair or unfair. That part belongs to ethics or moral philosophy. This approach is similar to legal positivism, which separates law from morality. It focuses only on law as it exists. However, some critics argue that law cannot be fully understood without considering social needs and moral values. They say that ignoring justice may lead to incomplete understanding of law. In conclusion, Holland's statement means that jurisprudence studies the general structure and principles of law as they exist in reality. It does not deal with moral judgments but focuses on legal concepts and their logical arrangement. This makes jurisprudence a systematic and scientific study of law.